Facebook is a great way to make money online, so I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook account in a few easy steps. First of all, go to facebook.com. When you get to Facebook, go to the sign up section and fill out the required information. When you've entered all your information, click sign up. Enter the verification code and click sign up again. Next, complete the 3 steps. Step 1 will help you to find friends that are already in your email account. If you have people in your email account and you'd like to add them to your Facebook, click find friends. We'll skip that step for now. Step 2 will help you to put in information that will help Facebook put you in different networks. We'll skip that step. And for step 3, you have the option of uploading a picture. You can either select a picture from your computer or you could take a picture with your webcam. We'll upload a picture from our computer. Select choose file and find the file on your computer. Ideally, you want an appealing picture, so a picture of a face would be great. Click save and continue. And there you have it, your Facebook account has been set up. A Facebook fan page is a great way to increase your online presence and also a great way to make some money in the process. Before you can create a Facebook fan page, you have to verify your Facebook account by clicking that link that they sent in the email. Once you've done that, you can set up a Facebook fan page. Let's look at an existing Facebook fan page. Let's try this one. As you can see, there are over 42,000 people who like this fan page. Therefore, every time an update is made, 42,000 people see that update. Therefore, if you were to say post an affiliate link on your fan page, then 42,000 people or however many people you have liking that fan page will see the update. Now, how do you make your own fan page? Scroll down and you'll see create a page for my business. You can click that link and follow the steps to create a new fan page. Let's select local business and type in a name for your page. Click create a page and there's a new page. You can add an image in the same way you added an image for your profile. And you can also edit your page by adding some basic information. Click done editing when you're done. You can also choose to update your Twitter whenever your Facebook is updated. Click here if you want to do that. For now, we'll click close. And that's it for this video. Facebook is a great way to make money online, but only if you monetize your account. Let me show you how to monetize your account by first monetizing your fan page. Start by signing back into Facebook. Now, to make money with your Facebook, you need to have a lot of friends. One way to start out is by clicking find friends and search for friends in your email box. Once you get to those friends, you can browse their friends and add those people as your friends and continue the process until you have a large number of friends on your account. You can also click find friends and use the Facebook Friends Finder to help you find some friends that are in your email account. To keep your friends interested in your profile, you need to go to profile and click wall, and on your wall you have to post interesting comments, or you could post videos, just share the type of content, things that will help to keep people interested in your profile and look out for your updates. Now, let's monetize our Facebook fan page. On the left hand column, scroll down until you get to ads and pages. Click that link, and here are the settings for our page. You can click edit under settings and change these settings if you need to. You can click edit on the wall settings. Remember, the wall is where you post content. And you can adjust the settings here as you like. Under applications, you can click edit discussion board, and that will allow you to create new discussion boards so your fans can discuss topics that you set up. You can just play around with all these applications to find out how they work. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and you might see static FBML here. If you see it, click the link. If it's not here, click browse more and search for static FBML. And here it is. So you can click it. Then click add to my page. And it gives you a list of pages that you can add static FBML to. Select the one you want and click add to page. Close. Now let's go back to our page. Go to home and then go back to ads and pages, and this is our page. Let's click view page, and here are all the different tabs that we have. This is our wall where you post content, info about your business. This is where you can put photographs. This is where you can have discussions, etc. Click the arrows to see some more links, and this is FBML1. There's nothing here because we need to actually set it up. You can do so by clicking edit page and scroll down until we get to our HTML application. Click edit. I give you a new tab, a catchy title, maybe make free money online, and simply paste your HTML code. Now remember that you can get your HTML code from your autoresponder account such as Aweber, or you could also get it from your affiliate accounts. Scroll down and click save changes. And now your changes have been saved. Let's go back to your main page and find the tab that we just created. As you can see, there are quite a few tabs here, so the one we just created is not visible. So you have to click this arrow, and here is the page that we just created. Now when visitors get to this tab, they'll see that they can get free music lessons if they type in their name and their email address right here. Now because your main goal with doing all of this is to make money, we're going to remove some of these unnecessary tabs so that the tab that you just created that will get people to enter their email addresses, you want that to be among the tabs that are shown here. So remove the unnecessary tabs, and to do that, go to edit page and scroll down to the ones that are unnecessary. So if you don't use link, you can click remove application. You could remove the notes. Just remove whichever ones you. So now when we go back to our page, we'll see that the free offer tab is actually visible. So just to recap, you can actually make money by posting your affiliate links or any other link to your website on your wall, and people who have liked your Facebook fan page will see that status update in their news feed. And if they click the link and go through with the purchase, then you'll make money that way. The other way I showed you was to create these additional pages, and by offering free content, be it music lessons or a free PDF or whatever you have to give away for free, people will sign up and you'll give them the content, but you'll also get their names on a mailing list. And once you have that mailing list, remember that's a very powerful tool. So you can send out offers to all those on your mailing list, and that's another way that you can make money using your fan page on Facebook. Another great way to make money on Facebook is to use Facebook groups. Now, when you create a group, people can opt to join that group, and once they join that group, you have the option of sending with just one click. You can send an email to everybody on that group. So that's a very powerful marketing tool. Here's how you would create a Facebook group. On the left hand column, you scroll down to groups, click groups, and you'll see the groups that you belong to here, or you can also create your own group. So click create a group, and here's your group. You can just fill out the information and click create a group. So let's do that right now. You can select the category, select the type, and you can also fill in these additional information. We'll skip those because they're not required. Click create a group. Now you'll see the confirmation that your group has been created, and here are all the options that you have. So the defaults should be fine. You see that the group is open. You can also close the group or make it secret. We obviously don't want that. So group is open, that's fine. Just click save. And now you get the option to publish this both to your wall and also on your friends' home pages as well. So click publish and then click OK. You'll be transported to a page that allows you to invite your friends. You can type their email addresses in or their names if they're already on your Facebook. You can click the members link to see all the members that are in your group, and right now I'm the only one in the group. You can select officers to give the members of your group different titles, and you can also click customize, and that will take you back to the page where you can adjust the settings for your group. Let's go back to our group. Now here's the group. You'll see that all content is public. You can click the wall and you can type things on your wall in the same way that you would type on your fan page wall. And that is it. We've just created a Facebook group. Now the feature about a Facebook group that will allow you to make a lot of money is the fact that you can message all the members of your group at once. Now remember that the people who joined your group are people who are interested in what you're talking about to begin with. So they're a lot more likely to open the emails that you send, assuming of course that you've maintained a positive relationship with them and you haven't spammed them in the past or anything like that. But they're very likely to open your messages when you send them. The downside of the Facebook group is that you're limited to 5,000 members. Now that's going to be a lot. 5,000 members, that's a lot. But just remember that there is that limit. So with your other mailing list, you'll be able to have any number of members that you want. But with a Facebook group, you're going to have that limit there. To get people to join your group and to get people to stay in your group, you'll have to constantly post good content. You can make your own videos, upload them to YouTube and post them on your wall, or you could find other people's videos on Facebook you can find other people's videos on YouTube. You could also post those, and you could post reviews, video reviews, written reviews. You could put all those things on your wall as good content. You can also sign up with Google Alerts, and that will give you access to newspaper articles and blogs. And you can also go to dig.com, and that provides you with the same type of material. But just always remember that you need to be posting things on your wall to keep your group members entertained and intrigued. To post something on your wall, click the wall tab and just type in whatever you want to post right here. And if you took a video from YouTube, then you could post the link right here as well. And you simply click share, and everybody who is on your list, who is in your group, will see what you just posted. If you want to send a Facebook message to all the members in your group, then you can click message all members and simply type your message in here and hit send. And right as you do it, everybody in your group will get that message. You can send messages to notify your members that you posted a new video or something. So you post something on your wall and then you follow up with an email saying, I just made this post, go check it out. Now remember that the people in your group will have a lot of friends of their own and they'll be following up with their friends. So try not to send too many messages out, just maybe once per week or so, something good you could post on your Facebook group.